What is ASP.NET Core? In this video, we'll understand more about ASP.NET Core in detail. Why it's important, where to use, how to use, all this we'll discuss in this video. ASP.NET, we all know it's Active Server Pages, where ASP stands for Active Server Pages. ASP is a development framework for building web pages. That means you can build a web pages using the ASP. Then it becomes ASP.NET because Microsoft brought the .NET technology, therefore it becomes ASP.NET, now much more versatile than the previous ASP. Now the new thing is ASP.NET Core. Now what is ASP.NET Core? It becomes an open source and it becomes multi-platform. So now the ASP.NET Core works with Windows, Linux, iOS. Whereas earlier ASP.NET works with only the Windows, and it's a proprietary in the beginning, but later become open source. Now it becomes a multi-platform, so therefore it works with Windows, Linux, iOS. It's brought by Microsoft company. ASP.NET Core is an open source version of ASP.NET that runs on Windows, Linux, Mac OS and the Docker. Now you can see that ASP.NET Core is an open source version of ASP.NET that runs on Mac OS, Linux and Windows. ASP.NET Core was first released in 2016 and is a redesign of earlier Windows only version to ASP.NET. So earlier is a Windows only, but now it's extended to other platforms too. The performance of the ASP.NET Core is much better than the previous editions. So here is the performance data. Performance is a key focus of ASP.NET Core. It's faster than the other popular web frameworks in the independent TenCompare benchmarks. So if you compare to this Java Servlet or Node.js, the .NET Core works better because it takes 7.01 million requests per second. So it's a modern and innovative. ASP.NET Core is designed to allow runtime components, API, compilers and language evolve quickly while still providing a stable and supported platform to keep apps running. Multiple versions of ASP.NET Core can exist side by side on the same server, meaning one app can adapt the latest version while the other app keep running on the version they were tested on. So that means you can have a multiple versions too, which is not provided in the previous editions. But Core will provide you can install multiple versions in the same system and your application can run multiple versions too like. So it's an open source, therefore lot of provisions and lot of providers. So now it's available on the GitHub as an open source that you can download, you can improve that, you can add the component. There are already 1 lakh contributors and 3,700 plus company contributions. Therefore, it's keep growing. So therefore, maybe a future is ASP.NET Core. Now we can shift from ASP.NET to ASP.NET Core because the acceptance is very wide. It's an open source. It's a platform. So it works on the multiple platform. So finally, ASP.NET Core is a new version of ASP.NET released by Microsoft. It's a web framework, it's an open source, it's a cross-platform, it runs on .NET Core, it's a modular and it's cloud optimized. So what is today required, all this is provided in the ASP.NET Core. So therefore, you can always learn ASP.NET Core and start build your apps using the ASP.NET Core. Thank you. So please subscribe to our channel for more technical updates and to make a project in ASP.NET or PHP or Python or VB or in C#. So keep watch, keep learn, get a good job. Thank you.